So we have a question here where we have a probability density function that looks like this. It's a triangle, and it goes from 8 until 12. Okay, and what we're wanting to find here is what is the probability from 9 to 11. So if we draw it out, 9 can be roughly here, 11 can be roughly here. We can find this area in here. So we're given a piecewise function. It looks a bit horrible. And this is our probability density function here. And it's 1/4 of x minus 2. Now that only goes from 8 to 10. Okay, so from 8 to 10. Okay, so that's the upwards bit here. All right. I'll just put that in a different color so it's a bit easier to see. That's kind of this color here. The next bit is the downward slope. So minus this, and then x plus 3 from 10 to 12. Okay, and so again, I'll put that in a different color so it's easy to see. All right, so what we're wanting to do here is now find the integral, which is I guess, the area under the curve. All right, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to split it into two parts. At this point here, at point 10, they change. So we could say realistically, it's the probability, right, from from 9 till 11 of our little function p of x dx. Okay, the problem is that we can't really compute that because it splits. It's a piecewise function at 10. So we can say that this is equal to, we split it and we go from 9 to 10, and then we get to write the actual equation in there, right? We get to write the actual equation, which is that 1/4 x minus 2. And then we also get to do the next bit from 10 till 11. Okay, and that is that minus x on 4 plus 3 dx. Okay, now it's going to be nice and easy because we get the use of a calculator here. So just let the marker know, use calc, and then you can give your final answer. So let's go ahead, let's go to our calculator, and we'll open up the keyboard. We'll get our indefinite integral in Math 2, and we'll go from 9 to 10 of x divided by 4 minus 2 x. And then you can either go copy and paste and just change the numbers. There becomes a minus, and this one here becomes a 3. So just double check everything, look at it all, and hit here. Now, I've got it in standard, so if I change that to decimal, it would give me 0.75. This is like an exact value, so let's use that 3 divided by 4. So let's put it in there, 3 divided by 4, and that's your answer. That is the probability. So what we can say is that the probability, right, from 9 to 11 is equal to 75%, or 3 on 4. Whatever takes your pick. Okay, there we go. If you have any other questions, reach out. I'd be really happy to help.